Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
On this Friday morning, we are waking up to partly cloudy skies out there. It is warm and muggy as our wind flow is moving in off the ocean. Most of the cloud cover right now down by the middle and the lower Keys, and that's where we saw a lot of the showers throughout the overnight. The reason being there's a tropical wave just south of the Keys stretching all the way in towards Cuba and in towards the Caribbean. Most of that moisture is continuing to push off towards the west-northwest. Some isolated showers in the Atlantic. If that moisture holds, there's a possibility we could see a stray shower maybe later on this morning. Otherwise, clear skies in Miami as well as Fort Lauderdale. Temperatures in the lower 80s. Keep in mind our average low this time of year is 77 degrees, so we're running well above average with our temperatures. 85 in Key West with mostly cloudy skies. Right now it's 82 in Pompano Beach as well as Oakland Park, 80 in Hialeah, 79 in Pembroke Pines, 77 in Kendall and Miccosukee. The winds are moving in from the north at 3 miles per hour in Fort Lauderdale. We have 7-mile-per-hour winds in Key West. Let's talk tropics. 3 areas that we're watching in the Atlantic. We have Tropical Depression Brett, Tropical Storm Cindy, and a tropical wave just east of the Windward Islands. Tropical Depression Brett, wind sustained at 35 miles per hour. It's moving to the northeast at 21 miles per hour. And as we look at Tropical Storm Cindy, wind sustained at 50 miles per hour, continuing to push towards the northeast very fast at 29 miles per hour. Both of these areas will continue to track towards the northeast, and we'll be able to say goodbye to them by the weekend. As you can see, they will start to die out over the cold waters of the Atlantic. Otherwise, the new area we're watching is about 500 miles just east of the Windward Islands. They're a National Hurricane Center giving it a 20% chance of development. I know it doesn't look very impressive right now, but it looks as though in the days to come, as it pushes more west, it will be under favorable environment to possibly develop, so we'll keep our eyes on it. Take a look at the water vapor map. Plenty of available moisture in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. We have a tropical wave to the south and upper level low to the east, so that will enhance our rain chances today. We'll have the sea breeze develop by the afternoon, and with that tropical moisture, expect some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Going into the weekend, high pressure will rebuild over the area, providing for an east-southeasterly wind flow. Any storms that develop will favor inland Broward as well as Miami-Dade and push back to the west. So the beaches will see plenty of sunshine if you'd like to head to the beach this weekend. Threat of rip currents at the beaches. Speaking of, the bay will be a light chop if you're doing any boating. For you in the lower Keys, no advisories. Nearshore waters at a moderate chop. Highs today, 93 inland, 91 for the coast with a mix of sun and clouds and scattered showers. Lows will be in the mid-70s inland, lower 80s for the coast. Here's your 7-on-7 rain chances go down as we go into the weekend to only isolated activity. Then we'll see a better chance of storms by next Wednesday. Have a wonderful weekend.